I have not cracked my fingers today, but I'm going to crack them because I want to, and it feels good. It feels good to crack them. I like cracking them.